Introducing the Pro 40AD ATEX, a powerful and versatile drilling machine designed for the most challenging environments. The term ATEX refers to the European certification for equipment used in explosive atmospheres, ensuring the highest safety standards. The Pro 40AD ATEX is perfect for use in hazardous environments such as nuclear power plants, petrochemical facilities, offshore oil rigs, and chemical plants. Durable and lightweight carrying case protects your drill and accessories, ensuring easy transport, safe storage, and quick organization. The 40 by 25 mm annular cutter allows to quickly make 40 mm holes. For your safety, the machine features a mechanical interlock that prevents accidental activation. The magnet must be engaged before the motor can start. Pro 40AD ATEX is only 185 mm high and can fit in your desired workspace. Connect the coolant hose and pump coolant to ensure smooth and efficient drilling. The Pro 40AD ATEX makes precise holes quickly and efficiently. The V-Prism magnetic base ensures a secure fit on pipes, making it ideal for diverse applications. The high-performance drill effortlessly penetrates the pipe, ensuring a clean and accurate cut. Pro 40AD ATEX showcases exceptional reliability and precision. You can count on it for consistent performance and durability in every task.